I'm Rylan Rogers.
And I'm Cash Hawkins
with the Panther Zone. Welcome to our new series,
Okemah Middle School Students React.
I'm Avery Mitchell with the Panther Zone, and we want to send a huge thank you to Ron Gott for finding us the Rotary Phone and an old Okemah phone book.
Do you know what those are?
Oh wait, this is a.
What's that? What are those?
I mean, I know it's a phone. What do you call these? Like they go.
You like spin it and then like.
You know what they're called?
I don't know what they're called.
What is that?
Do any of you know what that is?
No.
Well, you know what it is.
One of those little. It's a
Do you know what it's called?
No.
You know what those are?
Yeah,
What?
it's a telephone from the olden days.
In the world.
What is this?
Do you know what those are?
No.
Put that one. Put it on the floor. Do you guys know what those are? Do you know what those are?
Yeah,
What are they?
Rotary Phones.
Rotary phones. Do you know what that is?
Yes.
What is it?
It's a rotary phone.
A rotary phone. Very good. What kind of phone?
An older phone.
Most definitely that. You know what they were called? Rotary phones.
Yeah, rotary phone.
Have you ever heard that?
Yes.
No, yes.
Rotary phones.
Rotary phone, yeah.
Rotary phones. A rotary phone.
I thought rotary was.
I take it none of you have ever used one of those.
Actually,
The toys.
A
toy
couple.
one.
A rotary phone. You ever heard that term?
Nope.
Yeah. Rotary phone.
What?
Have you ever heard that?
Not at all.
Oh, I've heard of those.
You heard of that? That's a rotary phone. Rotary phones. Have you ever heard that term? Can you hear that?
Yeah.
Do you know what that's called? That sound?
No.
A dial tone. Hear that?
Yeah.
Do either of you know what that's called?
A line.
I don't know.
Dial tone. You ever heard that term?
Oh yeah, I've heard dial tone. Okay.
Why is it like heavy?
The other one, the top.
Huh?
No, listen. Yeah, yeah. Hear that? Let Corbin hear it. You hear that? What do you think? You know what that's called?
Beep.
No, I know what it is.
You said please hang up and call again.
No, I.
Dial tone.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
A dial tone. And listen. Hear that?
What in the world?
Do you know what that noise is called?
What?
A dial tone. Have you ever heard of a dial tone?
Not
Like that?
God.
It no work.
Ow.
I think I'm holding it wrong.
And let everyone hear that. Do any of you know what that sound is called?
That's something when
On
someone
hold?
hangs up.
On hold?
Something on
A dial tone.
I was gonna say dial.
I just said.
Hello, it's me.
Wait, how do I?
Pick the phone up first. Now dial.
Operator, or could you help me place this call?
Do you know how to use these?
Yes, I do.
The car I sold it. If this is Tuesday night, I'm bowling. If you got something to sell, your way.
You know what to do?
No.
Cass, do you know what to do?
Not one bit.
I think I messed up. Hold on. I was just turning the wheel.
I saw you had a unique approach.
I'm not from the 1800s.
You know what to do?
Not for sure. So, how would I dial?
So put your finger in it, take it over to the metal where it stops, and then let go. Answer it.
Answer it.
Hello, this is the health department. How can I help you?
Answer it, Christian.
Hello?
Can you hear him?
Yeah.
Put that up.
Hello?
Hello.
Sounds different.
Rich, you answer it.
Yeah, I can hear. Yeah, I can hear.
What's it sound like?
Old metal.
Hello.
Hello.
It's working.
What's it sound like?
Sounds like
Take it off speakerphone so you can put it up to your ear.
gotta say something.
Something.
It sounds like a little muffled.
Oh, okay.
Hello.
Hi.
Yeah, it sounds weird.
Hello? 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 You sound so different. Hello? I don't know.
It kind of sounds like kind of staticky.
Hello?
Hello.
I know, Lynn.
Hi.
Yes, you sound different. Yeah, it sounds real different. Hello? What's up?
What's it sound like?
Old
Yeah.
echoes.
Does it?
No,
Yeah.
it doesn't.
It's really bad. Hello?
That one doesn't echo as bad.
It sounds old and bad.
It is old.
Yeah, you can't. Hello.
It works.
What's it sound like?
I don't know. It sounds kind of normal, I guess. What's up?
Hello.
Can you hear me through that?
Oh yeah. Hello.
That's weird. Actually holding a phone up to your head like this. Hang up on them. Feel like the phones you use in prison. It looks like.
Hello.
It's so it's so different. Cause like holding it up to my ear and then having to do all that.
Holding, yeah, because I've noticed none of you hold your phones up to your ears.
I'm declining your call.
I know. Yeah, I like this. You just hang up on me.
So, the rotary phone was patented in the late 1800s. The wheel went on in 1904, 122 years ago. Those went in homes in the 1910s and 20s and stayed all the way till the 80s. That's almost around a 75-year span. That's how everyone used the phone.
Did
So-
you have one of these?
When I was a kid, yeah. What do you guys think replaced the rotary phone in homes?
Flip phone.
Was it like flip phones? Flip phone?
Wait,
The flip phone.
that came
flip phone.
long later.
Flip phone.
Flip phone.
Flip phone.
The landline
actual phone.
thingies.
That is a landline.
Oh.
This is a landline.
The cell phone. The big ones with the antennas.
The like brick phone that you have on the wall.
Oh.
The one that went on the wall. The one on the wall.
I don't know. Is it the one like you can like on the wall?
The click ones. Where you just like tap it. Wall phone.
The little like tapping.
I don't know.
The ones
What-
with the, it looks like this kind of, but it has the actual numbers that you
Yeah.
click on.
Addie Foster, excellent job. And that's called a touch tone phone.
What the heck is a touch tone phone?
Have you used the phone in the office?
Yeah.
Where you just push the button? So, you guys live in an instant gratification era of technology. Where you just tell your phone to call someone, push someone's name, all that, everything's at your fingertips, information in an instant. How long did it feel, what did it feel like to dial that? How long did it feel like it took?
Like a minute or two.
Yeah, for me, I couldn't figure it out. Like 2 minutes.
Longer than just typing in the number.
What's your guess on like how long you probably felt like it took? How long did it feel like it took?
30, 45 seconds, maybe a minute. So
Like how long do you think it took?
30 seconds.
It's not a bad guess.
Like 2 minutes. I don't know. What do you get?
It took me way longer to even.
3 minutes.
Yeah, it took me way longer to even just put the number in here and just pick up my phone, tell Siri, call.
What's that?
Oh, that's a phone book.
That's a phone book.
They used to have these like giant ones. back
Yeah,
then.
big cities have huge ones. What's that?
Phone book.
Phone book.
Like, can I call my mom?
What is that?
Phone book.
Yeah.
Phone book.
Like different.
That is from the
numbers
80s in
for people.
Okima.
Yeah.
What's that?
phone book.
Phone book.
I have.
That's an Okima phone book from the 80s.
Wait.
Oh, they're
numbers.
A phone book.
Yeah, phone book.
A phone book. Open it up. That's an Okima phone book from the 80s.
That's a phone book!
Yeah.
That is from Okima in the 80s.
In the 80s? Why are we so little?
Well, it's just Okima. So the white pages are people in town and all their land. What's that?
Phone book, right? Maybe.
Yep.
Yeah.
How many of your family, is your family's been in Okima a long time?
Wait, hold on. Let me look at this.
We're finding my family in here.
Phone book.
Scarlet Magnus. That is a phone book. Quickly identified.
Can I call one of these?
Nicholas Jerry.
No.
Can we call like random people?
Not unless if one of your grandparents is in there and had. Right, but we're not just randomly calling someone.
But it's for grandpa. He's not random.
I know Gene. That's my grandpa.
That's your grandpa? So, that was your grandpa's number on his landline.
That's cool.
Do you know anyone who still has a landline in their home?
Grandma
My
in Arkansas.
ex-girlfriend did. She called me on it whenever she was grounded.
I have no clue. Is it a number book?
The phone book. That's an Okima phone book from the 80s.
Yeah, it's 1024. That's their last digits.
Is it in there?
Yeah. it's
Do
right
they still
there.
have it?
Yeah, they still have it.
Do they really?
Yeah.
What
Like they have a home phone that you call and it's okay.
All right. What did you guys think of that?
That was cool.
Pretty cool?
Yeah.
Is it cool to do something how people did it, 100 years ago now?
Yeah.
All the way up until 50 years ago or 40 years ago? So, what do you guys think of that?
I honestly wouldn't prefer it, but it's not horrible. It looks good for decoration.
Nostalgic?
One of those little dial phone things, I'd be able to use those.
Girls, you did a good job.
Thank you.